What's going on? I'm Donald Washington, Weed Stock Investor. I'm bringing you guys 3 marijuana penny stocks that I definitely think that you guys should take a look at. Now, I ran across this article here. This article is going to read 3 marijuana penny stocks that could be the real deal. I'm going to bring you guys those 3 marijuana stocks that could be the real deal. The first one is going to be Aleafia Health. They go by the stock ticker ALEAF. They are trading at 96 cents right now. Second one is going to be Auxly Cannabis Group. They go by the stock ticker CBWTF. The third one is going to be the Spring Cannabis Company. They go by the stock ticker SPRWF. If you guys know me, I like to diversify my profile. I like to buy those penny stocks. Therefore, you can buy more of them, and you can if they go up, and if they go up like they're expected to, you can make a lot more money. I also like to invest in the stocks that are $10 plus, like the Cresco Labs, the Green Thumb Industry. If you guys have been watching the marijuana stocks lately, you can see that they're down in May and June, as expected, as most stocks are in May and June in the summer. Now is a great time to buy and invest in marijuana stocks. This is Donald Washington. So, let me bring you guys. Now, first thing I want to say is definitely invest at your own risk, do your own research. I want to bring you guys the warnings and the risk about marijuana. I mean, not marijuana, but in general, penny stocks. But the marijuana stock industry is a very new and different industry. Take a look at this article. I want to read the first part first so that you can kind of get a look at it. Now, what this article is going to say is, if you can read this. Generally speaking, penny stocks, publicly traded companies with low share price, usually below $5, are bad news, right? Stocks that have very low share prices are typically low for very good reason. This might include uncertainty about staying persistent losses or operating in a highly competitive or unproven industry. The point being that while penny stocks do amaze from time to time, and yeah, they do pop up. I've seen stocks that went from 10 cents to $10. Anyway, penny stocks are far more than not money losers for investors. But check this out. The cannabis penny stocks are worth a closer look. But there may be an exception to this rule in the cannabis industry. Although there is no shortage of marijuana penny stocks whose balance sheets and operating results are a disaster, there are the bona fide cannabis penny stocks that could be the real deal. Those 3 cannabis stocks that could be the real deal are these 3. So now I want to bring you Aleafia Health. Currently boosted the share price of $1. They're at 96 cents right now. Meets every definition of a penny stock, but with the market cap roughly at $280 million and developing cultivation assets. Major Canada player. This isn't your typical penny stock. It's saying 40 clinics that serve about 60,000 patients. 3 cultivation assets being developed. They foresee 138,000 kilos of peak annual output. Production remains highly fluid, have enough to keep them amongst the top 10 producers in Canada. And you guys know that Canada just went legal last year in October. There's more to read about Aleafia Health. I will post this article in the description box so you guys can read it for yourself. All right, so now the next one I want to bring you guys. Auxly Cannabis Group. They're saying, look, don't let that 59 share price fool you. This company is worth more than $350 million, but obviously has a lot of shares outstanding. In 2 words, they're saying when fully operational, the company aims to retail the equivalent of 170,000 kilos per year. This includes what it receives from more than 12 licensed partners, as well as from its various joint ventures and wholly owned grow farms. Now, the place Auxly just outside the top 5 in Canada in terms of how much cannabis will be sold per year. Very interesting. Very interesting. I'm going to post this article in the description box. Make sure you guys take a look at it. I'm not going to, in this video, I'm not going to read it word for word, of course. I want you guys to go ahead and take a look at it. I'm going to just summarize over it. Check out the Supreme Cannabis Company. Now, their share price is right at $1.20, but has a market cap that is virtually identical to Auxly Cannabis Group's. Whereas Aleafia Health and auxiliary companies are expected to be major producers and retailers of weed, Supreme Cannabis is considered more of a mid producer, with this 7 acres facility on track to roughly 50,000 kilos of output per year. What makes this output so impressive is that the company will focus on producing premium and ultra premium quality marijuana. So they're going to be very potent marijuana. And while the markets for discount and average quality cannabis are highly competitive, there's very little projected competition among ultra premium pot. So that's what makes them different from the other competitors. Few growers are focused on high quality cannabis. So that's what makes Supreme Cannabis Company different. And they're going to stick out from the crowd because they have high quality. And as if you guys know any pot smokers who love marijuana as I do, you know that the quality is everything. They will spend every dollar in their pocket to get something just a little bit better than the average and what everybody else is smoking, of course. So check out the rest of my videos. I want to bring you guys next a video of the best marijuana sites to do your research. If you guys are investing in marijuana stocks, especially those of you who are new to it, this is your investment. This is what you put in your hard-earned dollars. This is what you sweat at an 8-hour job for to make more money. And is this what you're sweating 8 hours at a job to invest your money in? Do your research. So my next video will be on the top marijuana sites that you should research these companies. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. Make sure you guys follow my Twitter page. Peace.